good beautiful people, my name is Malik Sterling and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So I've had a lot of requests from people to make a video on how to approach travel agents or travel agencies back in Ghana, the kind of document you need to have before you even approach them. So yeah, took that into consideration. So let's get into today's video real quick. So now, way before you even think of seeing an agent, you need to make sure you have a traveling passport, a valid traveling passport. Now, if you don't have, I think now it's not too difficult to get in Ghana. You can just go to Ghana Commercial Bank or any other bank, I think, and then purchase the hard copy. I don't know if they are still using the hard copy, but if not, you can just try online. You just go to Google, check Ghana passport online. You can just purchase it, fill it out, and then submit it. I think you should get it in a month or two. Yeah, it should be ready. So now, when the passport is ready, then you can think of going to see an agent. Now, this agent must be a trusted agent or a recommended agent by a trusted source, maybe by the media or a friend or a relative, you know, because there are so many agents out there. Some are good, some are bad. You wouldn't want to find yourself in the hands of the wrong agent. You know, they're going to play you like this, and then at the end of the day, you just waste your time, you just waste your money. So I can recommend it. I can recommend one agent to you. I'll put his name and his contacts down there, so you can just contact him. He's in Ghana, so yeah, so you can contact him. So now, after getting your passport and then you want to go see this agent, these are the things you need to have. First of all, you need to have a 12 passport size picture with a white background, a full size picture, well dressed and nicely trimmed hair, you know, and medical certificate just to make sure you are well sound, you are physically and mentally okay, and then police clearance certificate. Yes, how can I forget that? You need to have that as well, police clearance certificate. Also, I think it's not too difficult to get. You can go to the Accra police headquarters and then you can get that as well. And then any qualification, any artisanal or apprenticeship certificate, education qualification or any certificate at all, you can add that as well. And then yeah, last but not the least, you need to have money. Yeah, because Charlie, and easy, you need to pay, but it's worth it. I mean, get yourself into the right agent, pay him and let him do the necessary work, and then visa work, everything, paperwork for you, and then travel, get your money back. I mean, you put in money, you get your money back, so it's nothing to be scared of. Yeah, and I trust this agent. Yeah, he's good, Mr. Festus. Yeah, he's been helping a lot of people. I can say 90% or a lot of people working in the Middle East here went through him, you know, and he's doing a lot. Shout out to Mr. Festus. You are good to go. But way before even you do that, just make sure this is what you want to do, and just make sure you know what you are getting yourself into, because you cannot just go spend money and then at the end of the day you don't want to do this anymore. Like it wouldn't worth it, you know. Into making sure that just make sure say when you know yes. Yeah, if you find this video educative and informative, just make sure to smash that like button down there and subscribe if you've not subscribed to. Then let's keep the power going, you know. All right, so thank you, see you.